Hello and welcome to Scooty Mobility, home of the lightest mobility scooter in the world, Scooty. Half the weight than most other folding mobility scooters and made from aircraft grade materials for strength, safety and super lightness. Scooty weighs only 28 pounds, but she can carry a person of up to 25 stone with ease. Jenny's lifting that easily. It's so lightweight. Okay, I'll show you how the Scooty comes apart. It's got a quick release catch to remove the seat. So it just takes a second to release that. Pull the seat off. Seat folds in half, so it's nice and compact unit, separate seat. And remove the shopping basket. Obviously that's very light as well. And we're going to fold the steering column now down into the frame of the scooter. Quick release catch again on the steering column, drop it down. Then we have a Velcro strap that's going to secure the unit so it's not all falling all over the place when you're putting it in the boot of the car. It keeps it nice and neat and stable. Handle on the front, wheel it around like you would a suitcase. It's so easy. And look how easy that is to lift up with one hand. I'm not that strong. And I will wheel it over towards the boot of the car and show you how it goes into the boot. So now we'll show you how it goes into the boot of a car. It's obviously quite a big boot on this car, but it will fit into, we've had one of these easily in the back of a Mini Cooper. So you can wheel it around. You don't have to lift the whole weight, even though it's light enough to carry it around more or less all day if you're strong enough. But just wheel it on its back wheels over to the boot. Place the front wheel onto the bumper of the car and then lift from the back. So then you're only lifting about 50 or 60% of the total weight in that one lift. So it's very easy to fit into the boot of most cars. I used a blanket there just to cover up the bumper so it didn't scratch the bumper when I'm loading and unloading. And that's about it. It was, and here I'm going to show you how to remove the battery. You just disconnect the main power cable. It takes a second to do that. Then the battery is free to be removed. It's got a lock and key on the other side of the battery casing. So nobody can come along and steal your expensive lithium battery. This battery's also got a quick recharge time. It only takes 1 hour to recharge it when you're running low. Not many other scooters have that facility. It can also be charged on or off board the scooter. So you could leave the scooter in the car and just take your battery into the house to charge it up. Battery's very lightweight. Here we've got the removable storage shopping bag that fits over the seat. It's included with Scooty. Adjustable width wheels that can be made wider or narrower in seconds. Ideal if you're going through narrow doorways such as on a cruise ship cabin doorways. Here's Jenny holding a Scooty that's so lightweight over her head. We don't suggest you do this yourself, but it just shows how very lightweight it is. 50% lighter, 50% faster and 100% better than anything else on the market. Scooty is a winner. Scooty is faster than other folding mobility scooters. It's variable speed settings of 3 miles per hour, 6 miles per hour and 8 miles per hour. Thank you for watching and we hope you love Scooty as much as we do. To order your Scooty, please call 01704 530 275. Or you can go to scootymobility.com. That's scootymobility.com.